Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Tommy. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of logging into the ADVEX learning system. First and foremost, students will need to access their Gmail account. You'll use the specific username and password that ADVEX has sent to you. For example, right now, I'll demonstrate using this particular student, Opal, as our case. So they will be using the email address opal@your.campus.ace.ch. And then you just click right in there. Or sometimes you can simply type it into the username field. And then you'll need to enter your password. Now this password, of course, will be different for each and every person. Once we have successfully entered our password, the system will then, after we click Next, automatically take us into Gmail. Alright, so this is the school's official Gmail account. We strongly recommend that all students use their school Gmail when they need to contact ADVEX, okay? You'll be able to send messages or submit various assignments and other things through it. After that, when you want to attend your classes at ADVEX, you'll simply go to our LMS, which is lms.advegs.ac.th. Just click on it, and then you'll select the login button right here. Alright, and then we'll just continue with Google. We won't need to enter a username or password here, because we've already logged in using our school Gmail account, and it will automatically link everything for us. So just choose to continue with Google. Please wait just a moment, and the system will then bring you directly into the ADVEX LMS. The main interface will appear something like this. And then, what exactly can we look at? This section here will show you My Courses. You'll be able to see all the courses you've enrolled in. There might even be more than what's displayed here. Or, in this Profile section, you can click to view it. If your picture isn't quite right, you can easily edit your profile right here. Or, if you want to check the grades from courses you've already completed, you can find the grade overview right here. So, please feel free to go in and explore it. I'll take you to the Learning section. Once you've successfully logged into the LMS, navigate to the course you wish to study, or the webinar. Just click on it. For example, this course is Managing Global Business. The system will bring you directly into this specific course's classroom. The classroom interface, as you can see, looks exactly like this. You'll find course content, assessment sections, webinars, an end course survey, and also feedback. And this particular section here displays the schedule for all the live webinars. You'll be meeting with your professors each week. The ADVEX learning format is what we call high-flex learning. It's both asynchronous and synchronous learning. We've also laid out clear steps and guidelines for students, making it a guided self-learning experience. For example, students can independently study the course content. Whenever we have free time, we can just go in and take a look. For example, each chapter will have all the content already prepared for you, like if the instructor takes us to look at chapter 1 of this course. So, here we are. This is the interface for the content in the very first chapter. There are so many details here for us to explore and learn. Now, up here at the top, it indicates that if we click this, it's a minimize button, right? We have an overview section, and then we also have the lessons. Please click in. You'll find takeaways. There are AI prompts that you can click on, and then have AI help you expand on these points. There are interesting keywords for this chapter that you can explore in more detail. There are resources, which are different videos that you can click on and watch, or a quiz. At the end of this section, you can certainly give it a try. For instance, let's say you, as the instructor, wish to utilize this specific menu option, AI prompts. Once you access it, you'll find several suggested prompts, perhaps 4, 6, or even 7 of them. Let's just pick this particular prompt, for example. Simply click on it, and it will automatically copy the text for you. Then, you can paste it into any AI tool that your students are currently using, and have it generate the desired output. Alright, this prompt is now complete and ready to use. Once we provide the correct prompt, the content will be processed and generated for us immediately, and you'll be able to read even more details. Or if you'd like it to explain something in Thai, you can simply type that request in. This is the dedicated section for AI prompts. For keyword AI, keywords are also provided here. It's quite a similar concept. Regarding resources, these are essentially videos. For example, if you click to explore, wanting to see which videos are available for you to listen to for more information, they will have them all prepared for you. The content will also directly correspond with this particular lesson in the course. Or we could do a quiz at the end of the lesson. You're welcome to take it. This is just a practice test. It won't be graded for points. Let's suppose the first question is asked this way, and you respond with A. You click, and oh, it turns red like this. The correct answer is C. It's green. You can redo this repeatedly. This isn't graded, but it's for understanding. This is what the learning looks like in what's called course content. And for each lesson, we've prepared everything for you. It's a technology that they call, and this is what we call next-gen education. It's the readiness for students to utilize their free time and study completely on their own. Now, concerning the webinar sessions will meet them as per this schedule, you see? They will specify exactly which days you'll be meeting with your instructors. When we join the webinar, just click on this room, then click again on this Google Meet link. And then enter the room means we'll be entering the room the professor has scheduled for us today. Let's assume it's 7 p.m, just for instance, then you simply click to enter. But if for some reason we're unable to access it on a particular day, the system will automatically keep a record for the entire past week, so we can easily click and view it. These are the previous classes that the professor has recorded, and you'll be able to review them at any time. So, this is a webinar. Another important aspect is the evaluation. This will earn you points. This assessment itself will earn you points. Most of our work is project-based. You see, it's assignment-based, which means it's like a task, a project, or a report. Typically, there will be details provided for students to review. And before you can begin the final assignment, in most cases, the system will not permit you to proceed if you haven't completed the questionnaire beforehand. Therefore, you must first go and complete this specific course survey. When you click into this section, you will find a survey that needs to be completed. This specific individual, as it turns out, has already successfully finished it. So, considering they've already done that, they are now fully able to proceed to the final assignment. Just a friendly reminder, you'll also clearly see that the final assignment has its due date set for the 23rd. January. That's the due date for submitting the work, right? So, assuming we've already completed the questionnaire, the system will then open up, allowing us to access and view the final assignment. Just click in, and you'll clearly see all the instructions detailing exactly what we need to accomplish. Look closely. Do you see? It specifically states, carefully review the following areas. This covers what topics to address and what the project is specifically about. And of course, there are the requirements. Things that you really need to pay attention to. For example, the word count must be exactly 4,500 words, approximately, with a margin of plus or minus 10%. And the font style must be Times New Roman, just like this. It also needs to be double-spaced, and the file that you submit can only be a Word or a doc file. And we have the criteria evaluation. So, you must not exceed 20% plagiarism, and the use of AI must not exceed 20% either. And for all your references, once you've prepared your file completely, students should then click this Add Submission button here. The system will then submit it, and your instructor will assign a grade. The status of this grade will then be displayed right here. So, this is the learning methodology of our ADVEX system. This is prepared for students in this new era. It's next-gen education. It integrates high-flex learning, ensuring that student learning is as efficient as possible. This is our recommended guide for students on how to learn and access the system. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact ADVEX. I'm Teacher Tommy, and I thank you all for watching this video today. Goodbye.